Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine. Welcome to another virtual class in Radiant Secondary School in 8th grade, and I am your Pakistan Studies teacher, and we are studying chapter number 3, Land and Environment. Today we are going to start our question number 3, write a note on plains and plateaus of Pakistan. Students, as you know that we have already started this question, and in previous class we have completed our plain region of Pakistan. But before going to start our today's lecture, let me give you an overview of today's previous lecture. In previous class, we have completed our plain region of Pakistan. In plain region of Pakistan, first of all, we discuss about the definition of plains or plain areas. What is meant by plain areas? Plain areas are basically flat land or tableland, and it is very much suitable for farming or crops, and very important land from agriculture point of view. Then we discussed the plain region of Pakistan. In plain region of Pakistan, we have discussed that the plain region of Pakistan is divided into two parts, upper Indus plain and lower Indus plain. Then we discussed the characteristics and location of upper Indus plain and lower Indus plain. In location of our upper Indus plain, we have discussed that if we assume Mittancourt as a base, so area above Mittancourt is called upper Indus plain, and upper Indus plain mostly lies in Punjab province. And we discussed that the upper Indus plain is named as Punjab because 5 rivers, namely Indus, Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi and Sutlej, irrigate it. Then we discussed that river Indus is most important and longest river of Pakistan. Upper Indus plain is almost level and made of soil deposited by the rivers. That's why this area is very much fertile, and because of this fertility, upper Indus plain is very important from agriculture point of view, and it is not only important in today's time period, but also very much important before the establishment of Pakistan. And this upper Indus plain is called home of grain, and most of the Pakistan economy or our agriculture depend on these plain areas. Then we discuss about the lower Indus plain. We discuss the location of lower Indus plain. That lower Indus plain is lies below area below the Mittancourt and in Sindh province. Lower Indus plain is also level plain with gentle slope, and like upper Indus plain, lower Indus plain is also very important for agriculture. And in the third desert lies in the southeast of this plain. And then we discuss the deltic region of lower Indus plain. We discuss about the delta region and what is the deltic region of lower Indus plain. We discuss that the deltic region of lower Indus plain started from Thatta to Arabian Sea, and these are basically characteristics of lower Indus plain. And like upper Indus plain, lower Indus plain is also famous for crops like rice, cotton, wheat, sugar cane. This is the overview of previous lecture. Now comes today's lecture. Our today's lecture start from coastal plains of Pakistan. As you know, students, I have already told you the definition of coast. Coast or coastal line means the line where land and water surface meet, or coastline is defined as the area where land meets the sea or ocean is called coast or coastline. Now comes the coastal areas of or coastal region of Pakistan. We have divided coastal region of Pakistan into two parts: coastal belt of Balochistan, coastal belt of Sindh. Students, as you know that Pakistan coast is about 1050 kilometer long, and our coastal belt start in the east from the border of Sindh province with India and extend along the coast to the border of Iran in the west. So according to this location, we have divided the Pakistan coastal areas into two parts: coastal belt of Balochistan and coastal belt of Sindh. And coastal belt of Balochistan is 700 kilometer and coastal belt of Sindh is 300 kilometer. And in this picture you can see the location of coastal region of Pakistan on your screen. Green line shows the coastal line belt of Sindh coast, and red line show the coastal belt of Balochistan coast, or also called Makran coast. Okay, now comes the ports of Pakistan. Students, as you know that I have already told you the concept of ports, or what is the purpose of ports. Ports of Pakistan coastal plain has small and big seaports, out of which Karachi is the most important seaport, and other important ports are Qasim, Pasni and Gwadar. These are basically main ports of Sindh coastal belt and Balochistan coastal belt, and among them is Karachi port and Gwadar port are the most important one and active port in Pakistan. Climate of plain region of Pakistan. If we discuss the climate, how is the climate of the plain region of Pakistan, we have discussed that the climate of the coastal region of Pakistan is moderate type climate. The climate is mild due to adjacent sea. There is not much difference between summer and winter temperature. Average temperature in summer is 30 degrees Celsius, while in winter the average temperature is 15 degrees Celsius. Coastal region remain humid throughout the year, and land breeze and sea breeze are important feature of this region which keep the climate mild. Because of this land breeze and sea breeze, climate is mild. And if we talk about the rainfall condition, this region also receive less rainfall. The average annual rainfall is 30 centimeter. Economic condition of this region, if we talk about the how is the economically peoples are engaged. Being coastal region, fishing is the main occupation of this area. Small ports on the coastal belt of Balochistan are Pasni, Jiwani and Gadani, which are famous for fishing, and the main occupation of the people of coastal rural areas of Sindh is fishing. And beside fishing, another important activity or trade activity in this region is industrial city. As you know that Karachi lies in coastal belt of Sindh, so Karachi is the big industrial city, and people from all part of country are associated with different types of job here. And Karachi is the largest industrial city of Pakistan. So fishing fishing is already main occupation, but beside fishing, industrial, this region is also famous from industrial point of view. Many industries lies here, and among them Karachi is the big industrial city in coastal region of Sindh. Now comes the desert region of Pakistan. First of all, the definition of desert. Desert mean the area which are out of plant or very low rainfall is called desert region of Pakistan, or is called desert. Now comes the desert region of Pakistan. In Pakistan, desert region of Pakistan consists of Thar Desert, Cholistan Desert, Thar Desert, and Sihan or Haran Desert, which is Sihan or Haran Desert. As you know, students, that the southeastern part of Pakistan has desert-like characteristics, and it is spread over a large area which include the district of Bahawalpur, Sakkar, Hairpur, Sangar, Mirpur Khas, and Thar Parkar. Now we will discuss the one by one, a brief short review on these desert one by one. First of all, desert of Thar and Cholistan. Desert of Thar, as you know students, that this desert is called Cholistan or Rohi in Bahawalpur and Thar in Sindh. This is the picture of Thar Desert or Cholistan Desert. This desert is called Cholistan or Rohi in Bahawalpur and Thar in Sindh. Due to scarce rainfall, desert plants are found in this area, and most of the area is unpopulated. Thar Desert is among the most populated desert of the world, and the area is rich in culture with many Hindu temples. Thar Desert is the 7th largest desert on planet and 3rd largest in Asia. This is the Thar Desert. Now comes the desert Thal. Thal is the second desert of Pakistan, and this desert lies between river Jhelum and river Indus, and it is also mostly unpopulated like rest of the deserts of Pakistan. uh, Now comes the desert. These in this map or in this picture you can clearly understood the location of desert Thal or desert Cholistan. Sihan or Haran desert. Sihan or Haran both are the name of one desert, and these are also called Sihan or Haran desert. This desert is the fourth largest desert of Pakistan and situated in northwest of Balochistan province. Northwest of Balochistan province, which is also called desert of Haran. Some part of Chagi is also included in it, and because of this desert was used for nuclear testing by Pakistan military. If we talk about the climate of desert region of Pakistan, the climate of desert region is extremely dry and hot. Average temperature in summer is more than 40 degrees centigrade. Hot winds blow in a daytime. Daily range of temperature is different in desert areas in summer. Winter is also extremely cold in the desert areas, and annual rainfall in these areas is less than 13 centimeter. And if we talk about the vegetation of this desert region, the vegetation is almost non-existent due to lack of rainfall and high temperature in desert region, and which plants herbs and kikar acacia trees are found in some areas of desert region. Okay students, now come the review of today's lecture. Today we discuss about the plain region, coastal plain of Pakistan. In coastal plain we have discussed that we have divided the coastal plain into two parts: coastal belt of Sindh and coastal belt of Balochistan. Then we discuss one by one in these coastal belt of Sindh and Balochistan. We discussed that the Pakistan coast is about 1050 kilometer long, and our coastal belt start in east from border of Sindh province with India and extend along the coast to the border of Iran in the west. Then we discussed that the coastal plain has small and big seaports, out of which Karachi is the most important seaport, and other important seaports are Qasim, Pasni and Gwadar. Then we discussed that the main occupation of coastal plain people of the coastal plain are fishing. Fishing industry is progressing in these areas, so this coastal plain is center of important economic activities. Then we discuss the desert region of Pakistan. We discussed that the southeastern part of Pakistan has desert-like characteristics, and our southeastern side mostly covered with desert, and it is spread over a large area. We discussed that Pakistan has basically four deserts: Cholistan, Thar, and Sihan or Haran. The desert Cholistan or Cholistan is called Punjab, and in Sindh it is called Thar desert, and Thal is the second desert of Pakistan, and Sihan or Haran is situated in Balochistan province. Then we discuss the main climatic region of this desert region, how is the climate of this region, and main occupation of this region. So students, this is today's lecture. I hope you will understand today's lecture. Next time we will complete this question, that is second part of this question, that is plateaus of Pakistan. Allah Hafiz and take care.